people of Oakland seek to recall Oakland Unified School District 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 6 Board of Directors seats due to their willful disregard for public safety of our children and the inability to engage effective in decisions concerning school closures.
I'm just saying the guy's scratching his eye. Maybe his eye itches.
No, that's a gestural emblem. It's an unconscious gesture with a specific meaning. Loco, pull up the politician videos with the same gestural emblem.
Now, Senator McCain has served this country honorably. He has... What letter grade would you give yourself as Secretary of Defense?
Oh, I'd let history worry about that. That's hostility. Now, I know why those two fell that way. The question is,
why does the superintendent